for many years. I was trying to find out the topics that is always coming out year after year. And after my research, I was able to find out five key topics that NECO always set questions from in biology year after year after year. So as you are reading up for your biology exam, I want you to focus on these few, just about five topics that I was able to look at, that every year they set questions from these particular topics in biology. Look at them, study them as you prepare for your NECO biology exam. Okay, the first topic is cell structure. I'm sure you can see. So, cell structure, under cell structure, you need to understand understanding the structures and functions of cells is crucial for grasping the basis of biology. So they're always asking questions on cell structure, both plant cell and animal cell, differences between them, how to draw them, the organelles inside cells. Pay attention to topics such as cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm, mitochondria, and chloroplast. This is always coming out year after year after year. By the way, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel right now. Like this video. If you subscribe to our YouTube channel and like this video, I will share with you. I will share this material I'm reading from with you. I will also send you the syllabus and send you other materials that will help you to pass your NECO JAMB exam, including the past questions, the syllabus, the timetable, and also how to check your results. The next topic that will come out is transport system. Learn about various systems responsible for transporting substances within an organism, both plant organism and animal organism, both unicellular and multicellular organism. This includes topics like circulatory system. So go to your modern biology, any of your biology tests, you can study circulatory system, respiratory system, and excretory system. This is always coming out. Remember I said I studied past questions over the years to find out repeated topics. I found out that these five topics I'm giving you are the topics that NECO, even WAEC, is always repeating. The next one is genetics and heredity. Heredity. Gain a solid understanding of the principles of genetics, inheritance, DNA, and genetic variation. This topic often appears in NECO biology exam. Remember, this is more like an expo for you. If you want me to send you this material, if you want me to send you others, the full NECO syllabus for biology and other subjects, what you have to do is share this video, like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel. When you subscribe, come under this video and tell me I have subscribed. Once I see I have subscribed, I begin to send you all those materials. Okay, the fourth but not the last topic is ecology. I hope you are with me. Studying ecosystems, food chain, biodiversity, and environmental concern is essential for this section of the exam. Make sure to familiarize yourself with the ecological concept and their practical applications. So study food chain, biodiversity, and environmental concern, both habitat and all the rest. Ecology. If you go to your modern biology textbook or any other good biology textbook, you should be able to find these materials, these particular topics. They will come out. Then study plant and animal psychology, plant and animal physiology. Focus on topics such as photosynthesis. Go and read up a topic in your modern biology, any other good biology. Read up photosynthesis, read up respiratory, read up digestion, read up reproduction, and the functions of various organs in the body. So, like I said, if you have not liked this video, like it, share it, then subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come under this video and tell me I have subscribed, and I will give you all the help you need to pass. Okay, so the first topic, cell structure and organization. The second topic is transport systems. Transport what? Transport systems. The third topic is genetics and heredity. The fourth topic is ecology. The fifth topic is plant and animal physiology. Dedicate yourself to learn these things. Share this video, like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel. Come under this video, tell me I have subscribed. Once I hear I have subscribed, we'll begin to talk. I'll start talking with you on WhatsApp and guide you to pass. Thank you, and we wish you all the best in your exams.